Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir, I could hear you.
Okay. So, what subjects you studied in this semester?
I studied predictive analytics and decision making, data warehousing, and
Hmm.
environmental science,
Hmm.
operational research,
Hmm.
and art programming,
Hmm.
public speaking, and book reviews, and this book review on public speaking, sir. And
Okay. What is your
that's it.
CGPA till now? CGPA.
It's 8.08, sir. 8.08, sir.
Okay. Coming to environmental science.
Hello,
So,
sir.
what is conflict over water?
Sir,
Environmental science.
it's stuck, sir. Sir, it's stuck, sir.
Struck 1 minute.
Yes, sir, I could hear you now.
Okay. Uh, what is renewable and non-renewable energy?
So, renewable is which the energy that can be created again and again. For suppose sunlight, it has no end for it, and non-renewable resources like fuel. When we dig the petroleum from the underground, it cannot be regenerated again. So, it is non-renewable, sir.
What are aquatic ecosystems?
Aquatic ecosystem are the animals or plants which live in the water, sir.
Okay, example. What are different types of
Example,
aquatic systems?
fishes, prawns, and types of fishes.
No, where do they stay? In ponds, streams, oceans, rivers, lakes.
They stay
Those are
in
called as
yeah, they
aquatic
stay in
ecosystems.
ponds and
Okay, what is water harvesting? Water
water harvest.
harvesting.
We have two different types of we have two types of water harvesting, sir. One is rooftop harvesting, and one is downflow harvesting, in which the rainwater to be collected in the ground itself, and one and other one is the rainwater can be collected from the rooftop of the house.
What is climate change? Climate change.
Climate change. Climate change is due to the global warming because of the pollutions we make. The climate has been changing uh, due to
What
it.
is global warming?
Global warming is humidity. Actually, global warming is the pollution which occurred in the atmosphere of the earth layer on the earth.
What is Forest Conservation Act?
Conservation Act is which to protect the there are some measures to protect the forests are like grazing of some there are some restrictions like grazing of food grazing of grass for animals in some certain areas like that there are more restrictions.
You know what is biodiversity?
Yes, so biodiversity is divided into two types. One is biotic and abiotic. Where biotic, there will be non-living things like sunlight, air, etc., and stones. And in abiotic, there are living animals which can be grassland, human beings, animals, etc.
What is solid waste management?
Solid waste management is uh, which the waste is converted through a process it can be done it will be done by the government. So like water we have there is a lot of water waste. We will be recycling the water and pumping it again. So in the same manner solid waste management will be there.
So coming to data warehousing, what is data warehouse?
Data warehousing is which it is. it is a database. It is a database which is stored. So whenever we want to retrieve the data or want a certain data, we call it we call the data, and it stores the past data. It is like a storage of huge data.
What is data mart?
That's it.
MART.
Data mart is divided into two types. So one is independent and dependent. Independent is which the data warehouse can give its data to the particular streams. The whole data can be divided into finance and operations and some other marketing. And coming to dependent, the whole it is the same as the independent, but it is in the upward direction. So all this finance, marketing, and operations, etc., gives the data to the data warehouses to store its data.
What is the role of OR in decision making? Role of operation research.
Operational research is used to make things easy. So for suppose transportation model is there, so that we can give a certain we can give a certain amount of products to transport through logistics by demand and supply basis. And we can see the optimum sales or purchases. That's it.
What are the differences between PERT and CPM? PERT, PERT and CPM. Critical path method. You have heard about what is PERT? What is the
Yes, sir.
full form of PERT?
Yes, sir, I have heard.
Program evaluation and review.
Critical, yeah, CPM is critical path method.
So coming to predictive analytics. What is predictive
Yes, sir.
analytics?
So analytics is divided into three types. There are descriptive, predictive, and a third one exploratory. So under predictive analytics comes F test, chi-square test, T test, Z test, also. So like we can calculate the significance between two different things.
What is hypothesis? Types of hypothesis.
Types of hypothesis, there are null hypothesis and alternate hypothesis. If null hypothesis means assuming assuming that this is true. If the null hypothesis is false, we accept the alternate hypothesis.
So tell something about R language. What you have learned about R language?
In our language, as I said before, I have learned about descriptive, predictive, and exploratory. So our programming is a statistical language, which we can do our tests or do any statistical problems so easily.
So what is t-test?
So t-test is there are two types of t-test. One is a single mean t-test and two sample mean t-test, in which we can in which we can know the significance between two dependent or a single variables.
You know something about histogram, box plots?
Yes, sir. In R, I have been learning.
What is box plots?
Box plots is which we can. It is a graph where we can. It is like a where it is represents a bar type graphs, and histograms are a bar type graphs, but they're connected to each other.
So coming to financial management. So what are the goals of FM, financial management?
So, finance is the main is the blood of all the streams. So, finance can help the company to achieve its goal by payback period or something, and it helps every stream like marketing, operations. It involves it is the mainstream. Sir.
What is capital budgeting?
So capital budgeting is we have to allocate certain amount of money to the company to invest on a particular project. So by calculating with some of calculations like IRR method, the IRR method and NPV method, we can allot the budget to the company.
What is payback period?
Payback period is which it is a process, it is like an interest process. Suppose I have been taking a loan from other, I have to pay them back with a certain amount of interest in certain time.
What is working capital? Working
Working
capital
capital
management.
is okay. Working capital is the present is the present capital. It can be any type of capital like budgeting, like money is also a type of capital, and land it is also a type of capital. So,
What are different forms of dividends? Dividends.
dividends. No, sir.
So
Didn't
dividend
hear
is
you.
given to shareholders.
Dividend. Yeah, dividends are given to shareholders, which when they when they buy shares to the shareholder, when they buy shares, so they'll get some profit. So that profit is distributed as dividends to the shareholders.
So you know the difference between debenture and shares? What are debentures? What are shares? In terms of returns which we get.
So yes, sir. So debentures are like interest, sir. It is a type of interest. So the company has particularly have to pay the amount, and coming to shares, it is not like that. Based on the company's profit, it has to divide its it has to divide its dividends to the shareholders.
Okay. So what you were doing for the past 40 days? Where are you located now?
So I'm at Rajahmundry, sir.
Okay.
So for
What
the
you were
past
doing?
40 days, I have been I have been taking coaching for CAT exams, sir, and doing
You are
assignments,
taking online
and I'm
coaching?
trying. Yes, sir.
Okay. Online.
Yes, sir. Online coaching, sir.
Which institute?
Apex, sir. Actually,
Apex.
from my second. Yeah, sir. It's in the Geetam only, sir.
Okay, okay. So finally, you are having Viva online now. What is the difference you found out from physical offline Viva and online Viva? Is there any
So,
difference which you see?
yes, there is
What is it?
difference. If the Viva is
So
physical, then
which
my
one
friends
is
used to
better?
help me.
Which one you feel it's
If
better?
it's physical Viva is better, sir,
Why? So you are
because friends
comfortable,
help me and we
though.
try and we revise together.
Not only that, those who have some fear. So some people may feel online is better. We are not able to see faculty directly. No.
No, sir, I
So
feel
for
the college is better, sir.
okay, college is better, but in terms of crisis, we have to go with that. So we don't
Yes,
have
sir.
any other option. So coming to online classes and physical classes, what difference you found out? You attended any online classes?
Yes, sir. I attended art programming, sir. Sir
Okay.
has conducted online
Other than
classes.
that, any online class?
No, sir. We had only art programming online class. And
You-
Renka ma'am has been sending FM videos to watch.
Okay, that is okay. You are listening to Apex classes online.
Yes, sir.
So,
Some are online and some are downloaded in videos, sir.
so what difference you found out between online and offline class?
In online, some the network may buffer and we cannot ask our questions by typing
Hmm.
because sir will mute the camera.
Okay.
When it is physical classes, we can if we did not get what sir said, we can ask to our classmates. They'll sit beside us, but that's the difference.
Okay. Okay, you read your subjects also, the 6 subjects which you have to read. So maybe you might be having these exams for 60 marks in June, within 1 month's time.
June.
Yes, maybe
Okay, so
June.
that will be in physical only, sir. Like
You
we
will
have
have
to come
it
to the call.
physical exam only maximum, and I think they may reduce time from 3 hours to 2 hours. So
Sir,
accordingly,
in
you'll
two
be
hours we
having
have to write.
in 2 hours. Maybe you may be seeing reduction in questions, or you may not have to write them in essay form. So maybe you might be getting short answers kind of thing. So that's why you have a lot of difference in answering short form questions and essays. So if you
Okay.
have to answer multiple questions, you have to read everything.
Okay.
Okay, all the best.
Thank you, sir.